Hi, Papa. It's a very special day today. It's your birthday, and I decided that because we couldn't all be together like we usually are, and that you're usually surrounded by students, I decided to put together this little thing so that everyone gets a chance to tell you how much you mean to them. So I hope you enjoy it, and happy 71st birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa. Love you loads. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day.
We wish we were there, but I hope we can celebrate together in the future. Love you.
Bye. Happy birthday. Love you.
Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, sir. This is one day that we would like to tell you how much you mean to us, and thank you for being such an amazing teacher, such a fantastic guru. And I can't thank you enough for all the guidance that you've given me throughout the years. And it's not that I have to say this, it's just that people who know me, people who have seen me grow, they have known that ever since I met you, ever since you started guiding me, teaching me, there has been this tremendous change and growth in my life, and I can't thank you enough for that. So thank you for being the light, thank you for being an amazing teacher, and thank you for being one of the most wonderful gurus one can ask for. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, sir.
It's a special day today, and I am one of those lucky people in the world whom you love so much, and you know that I love you so much. Thank you so much for always being there. Happy birthday.
Hi, sir. How are you? Hope you're safe. Hope you're healthy and doing well. Well, I wish I could be there to wish you personally this year, but I can't. So here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday. May you be blessed with a lovely, long, and a healthy life. Sir, honestly, you're one of the best people I've met in my life. Thank you for being who you are. Thank you for being a lovely guide, guru, mentor, and honestly, joining KNK, being under your guidance has been the best decision ever for me in my life. Thank you, sir, for everything. We all love you, we all miss you, and hope to see you super soon. Till then, have a great day, have a great birthday. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hello, Kishore sir, Raviraj here. Wish you a very happy 71st birthday. May God give you a great health and a lot of happiness and more strength to touch lives like mine. All what you have taught me in that short period of time I still apply in my life. You said that अभिनय ऐसे करो कि जीवन जी रहे हो और जीवन ऐसे जियो कि अभिनय कर रहे हो. ये बात को मैं आज भी सिर्फ अपने लाइफ में एवरीडे अप्लाई करता हूँ. And I'm living my character very strong. Again, sir, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope to see you soon, sir. Thank you. Cheers.
Before a performance, you always used to say कि अपनी ego side में हटा दो and let it happen through you. Today I know what you meant. Thank you so much, Kishore sir, for coming in my life. My experience of life is far better because of you. May grace bless you as always. I love you, sir. And this is a relationship of a lifetime and beyond. Happy birthday, sir.
Hello, Kishore sir. A very, very, very happy birthday to you. I seriously don't have words to express the amount of gratitude that I have for just all that you have done for me. And all that you do for so many people, so many students, so many people who have ever interacted with you. It's just been life-changing. It's not just acting or performance that I learned from you. It was just a shift of awareness, a shift within me, something that you began that really transformed my life completely. I am so blessed and honored to be your student. And literally my father if there's anybody apart from my father that I consider or think of as a father, it is you, and nobody else. I think you are a father, a mentor, a person who's really a catalyst in transformation. You are a powerhouse. I have nothing but gratitude and happiness that I learned so much from you, and that you had I had a chance to be sculpted by your awareness. It is so beautiful, and here's wishing you a very, very beautiful time. Here's wishing a lot of happiness, lot of warmth, and I'm sending just blasts of love your way. It's just that even my mom is a teacher, and initially as a young boy, I never understood the importance of a teacher, a mentor, or a person who really makes an impact. But now in hindsight, even after whatever's happened, I realize that a teacher's contribution to a student is, I think, the most fundamental, most important thing that any profession does. I think this is the most noble profession. Transforming other people's lives, apart from just teaching them a skill, I think is just beautiful. And I wish you stay blissful, stay happy, and here's all the love. Hopefully I will get.
Hello Kishore sir, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I'm sure I don't have to tell you about the massive impact and influence that you have had on my life, but because it's such a special day for all of us, for everybody who loves you, I'm going to definitely tell you. I am forever grateful and forever indebted to you for the unimaginable contribution you have made to my life, and you continue doing so. I wish I can make you as proud as as Bahish has made you, as your children have made you, as everybody has made you. And I hope I can really, really do absolute justice to all the knowledge and wisdom you have inculcated in me. Happy birthday once again, and thank you once again. Take care.
Hi Kishore sir, how are you doing? I hope you are doing super fantastic, and I want that. आपका 28 जुलाई को बर्थडे आ रहा है. आई वॉन्ट के आई विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. लेट दिस लॉकडाउन गेट ओवर और हम जल्दी मिलते हैं सर. आप अपना ख्याल रखिए एंड लव यू सर.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, sir. I'm very fortunate to be your student. I've found guidance, love, discipline, and hard work in one person, and that is you, sir. Thank you so much for inspiring me to work harder. Thank you so much for inspiring me to be focused in my life. Thank you so much for everything. I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you.
Pranam sir, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are healthy. I would like to thank you for all your knowledge you have shared with us, and also for all your guidance. I hope we get to see you very soon. Take care.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सर. जन्मदिन की बहुत 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 ढेर सारी मुबारकबाद.
Hello sir, happy birthday. I wish and pray for your long, healthy and a very beautiful life always. Thank you for teaching me so many things that are going to stay with me forever. Thank you that you trusted me in each step when I was learning. It is all because of your immense love and faith that I have achieved so much as an actor. Thank you for guiding me always. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday, sir. Stay safe. Take care. Hope to see you very, very soon. Happy birthday.
हेलो सर, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. और मैं आज आपसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ वो सिर्फ आपके वजह से हूँ. आपने जो सिखाया है उसके वजह से हूँ, और इसी तरह आप हमें सिखाते रहें. और वैसे तो माना जाता है जो गुरु की जगह है वो बहुत बड़ी होती है, लेकिन आप मेरे लिए उससे भी बड़े हो. थैंक यू, लव यू अनकंडीशनली. And once again, happy birthday.
Hi Kishore sir, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for showing me the right path when I was new in Mumbai and for always being there. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday sir. God bless you.
Hi sir, wish you a very very happy birthday. Happy 71st sir. Sir, one of the million days I would wish I can witness that over there. But unfortunately I'm out, corona chal rahi hai. But sir, I feel I'm blessed I met you, because this was the first time I understood what behavior was, and the first time I was aware about what was around. And these are some things which I've learned, like from thousands of things I've learned over there. Thank you very much sir, thank you very 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 much for blessing us all with what we call acting is. And that's what it is, the right thing to the right behavior to the right thing. That's what acting is. Thank you very much sir, and I wish I was there. And party hard sir, party, yay. Happy birthday once again sir.
Namaste sir, wishing you a very 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 happy birthday, and I hope everyone at home is doing great and staying safe. Sir, I've been told ये वीडियो कुछ 30 seconds का होना चाहिए, but I think that's too less because I have lots and lots of things to say. But I know you are not a Crash Course fan. I'll still have to cut it short. Sorry. Sir, firstly, I would like to thank you so much for sharing all your philosophies, your wisdom and your knowledge with us, because it has literally helped me a lot, and I'm glad that I could be part of KNK. 40 seconds already. Sir, not just saying it to say it, but I actually mean it. I think you were the best teacher I have ever had. Or I will not say teacher, I would say you were the best guru I have ever had, because जैसा आप कहते हैं, there is a thin line between teacher and guru. So I think I've become responsible for my own growth, and I think I've become more wiser. Sir, time I will सर मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ. लेट थिंग्स गेट लिटिल मोर नॉर्मल, तो हम मिलकर बात करते हैं. मुझे आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, एंड टिल देन लव यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. एंड
Hello sir, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you a very happy birthday on your 71st birthday sir, and this is a very special moment for me. I've always looked forward to to doing something special for you if I could do in any way, and I think this is my chance to at least show you how grateful I am to you and how much you mean to me. First of all, thank you sir for becoming my guru in acting, which I always keep telling that how you have taken personal interest in me, and you've paid your personal attention to me into nurturing into an actor, and you've always told me to keep learning, which I will always do. And I especially wanted to thank you because I remember the time when I joined the academy. After a few days after you saw my performance, you called me and you told me that Rudra, you must be thinking that you're living such a job, and after a few years you must be a lieutenant colonel. But if you have any doubts, as a doubt in your mind whether you should shift, I mean, by the time I had not left the army, so you were like, if you are in double mind, just believe me, this is the place where you are supposed to be. And the way you support your students, the one who are serious, you always support them, and how you help them in grow, and how you help them in any way possible, I mean, that is amazing sir, and I'll always remember this, always be grateful, and I'll just keep on working hard. That's a promise to you, because I want to grow as a human being, and just grow in the line of acting, keep learning, and one day make you proud. And also sir, this thing which you taught me about the fourth wall, it's actually working for me. It happens to me, and I think all you have taught about life, how everybody teaches that what you're supposed to do, and you have taught us what you're supposed to do when you're stuck. So that is, I think, what is most important important learning for me. So I'm trying to live a life where जीवन ऐसे जियो कि जैसे अभिनय हो, और अभिनय ऐसे करो जैसे कि तुम जीवन जी रहे हो।
Okay, so that was the thing that we put together. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a lovely day and you have a fantastic 71st and many, many more years of peace and prosperity, and generally more and more inner peace is what I wish for you. And I hope you have the greatest year ahead. Thanks, Papa. I love you.